USD JPY last week continued its bear run, and as we have discussed last week, that once it breaks below this zone at 153, 152, we can look forward to a stronger move. And what it has seen, it has come towards 146.5. Now, this is going to be one important support levels, else it has a move towards 145 and then 140 levels as well. See what is happening here. The rise was a bit gradual. The fall is vertical. Can we expect a further bearish move here? Yes, the BOJ increasing interest rate is one reason assigned to this fall. Second is the recession fears in US, and thus both the factors coming into picture, and we have seen it slumping hard. So, what to expect in the month of August and in the coming week from USD JPY? What is going to be our strategy? How to profit? Where to enter? Where to exit? Everything we're gonna see with the help of charts and indicators. Towards the end of this update, I'll be sharing the trading levels and strategy. So do watch till the end. Let's start. And yes, if you're new to the channel, subscribe and press the bell icon. Do like, share, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support them. Now, look at the 4-hour charts. Yes, the moving averages are trading with divergence. Yes, the moving averages are staying bearish. If you look at the move here, see, after the crossover, this is a sharp bearish move. The top consolidation, the drop, consolidation or retracement, the drop here. And now it can deliver a retracement, but we should notice that this is an expanding triangle here. The highs of this triangle, as much time as it spends on the downside, the highs will be lower, and then 150 152 zone is going to remain one critical milestone, which is going to be difficult for the USD JPY to break past by. And this remains applicable for the month of August. The more time it spends below 150 152, the harder it is going to be for the USD JPY to break beyond the zone and stay bullish. So the zone here at 150 152 is going to remain critical for the month of August, and specifically towards 154. Stochastic definitely is oversold. The MACD has also seen a slump. It is looking downwards. Now, see, this is the highest point on the 4-hour charts with the USD JPY and seen, or I will say the lowest point, and thus the chances of reversal, or it may try to consolidate with the retracement here. The RSI has come to extremely oversold zone that it calls for a little recovery. Looking at the in just 3 weeks, the USD JPY has eroded or erased all the gains since last 6 months. See, these are the levels which we have seen in February and March, and you can also see these were very, very good support levels. Prices have again come to take the support from these levels. So the gains from last 6 months just eroded in last 3 weeks, and this is a crossover, the bearish crossover. So bull run, which has started here on the daily charts in the beginning of the 2024, it is almost erased all the gains, and now it is looking forward to erase all the gains for 2024 and move towards 140 before the year end. So we can in fact see the USD JPY yielding a negative yield for the year 2024, which means it can trade below 140 as well. But let's have a further detailed look. Stochastic is oversold. MACD is trading with divergence and bearishness, but this appears to be a fairly exaggerated expectation. It may try to hit these levels at 140, and then if a recovery can be seen towards the end of the year, and then a modest yield we can count from the year beginning. So this is something you should watch out for. RSI is extremely oversold on the daily charts. Coming to the yes, similar observation on the weekly charts. Now these are definitely critical support levels here. Look at this zone till 145, extremely important support zone. Below this 144.2, 144 will come into picture, and below that we will look forward to 140 levels, the first milestone, 138 levels, the next milestone. And if it moves towards 138, these are the levels we had seen in the middle of 2023. So almost a year gains will be erased by now. So just last 3 to 4 weeks, and already we have seen a sharp jump. The stochastic has come to bottom. Look at the MACD. It has crossed over at the top. It is trading with divergence. And see, we did discuss it last week that this is just crossed over, and this may continue to trade with divergence. That is what has happened. And now it appears to be hitting the lows, which suggests that the lows on the USD JPY are going to be there, which can be in fact below 140 very, very soon. RSI has dropped as well. Coming to now, this is important on the monthly charts. What you can see this the rise, the retracement towards 20 period, the rise, the retracement towards 20 period. Bigger the rise, the sharper the retracement. Now, so far, it is respecting the 20 period moving average and trading this bullish channel. So, this month is definitely crucial. Now, what has happened here? A bigger, smaller bearish candle and a bigger bearish candle to follow. Now, at this time, a bigger bearish candle and a smaller one to follow. So, I will be definitely watchful of how it behaves till 145 and 144. These are the two key levels which are going to be the defining levels for the future of the USD JPY. Else 140, 138, and then below that 130 levels in the near future. It is willing to complete the wall here. What we had seen here, see, rise, retracement, and now after the rise it is willing to erase all the gains here. It can move towards the zone at 130 very. The moving averages here on the monthly charts are trading with divergence, and it is since the COVID times you've seen it diverging strongly. The stochastic has hit the overbought zone, and in just couple of months it has dropped sharply towards the lows. What has happened here? See, a sharp drop was seen, and thus just this is replicating the same. It will try to move towards the oversold zone in the next couple of months. Look at the MACD. Now, this is important. What we had seen, what we had discussed. See, this is staying at the top here for months now, and these are specifically record levels on MACD, and this requires for it to take a dip. That is what has happened. It is started on the month on a sharper bearish note. I think it is going to be fairly aggressively bearish here for next few months. Be careful with the buys here in Euro USD. I will say that now 150 152 zone is going to be a very critical zone, and I do not see in fact 154 zone very soon in this USD JPY. Just you need to be cautious till then. RSI looking downwards. So signs are majorly bearish, but these are markets. It shows something and happens something. And also we have seen a significant fall. That's a possible retracement. But largely I will say you should still be staying with the sell the rise position till 154 levels are not taken in the near future. Now, looking before I give you the selling and buying entries, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. And if you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Write an email or ping me over Telegram for your queries related to the services. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. And those who had asked me to recommend a broker where you can trade all the global instruments, which offers you a swap-free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. Now, looking at this, see a little retracement on the upside we can definitely expect, but how far this retracement is going to be, and how much short-lived this retracement is going to be, that is going to be the key question here. Now, looking at this, I will recommend you to buy here at 146.8, where you can expect 147.1, 147.28, and then 147.5. Once it stays beyond 147.5, 148, this is going to be, now till here it is going to be a stronger resistance zone for the USD JPY. I think 148 is going to be one level which it is need to be watched out with caution, because beyond 148 levels I will look forward to 148.42, 148.57, and then 148.75, 149, and beyond 149 it is possible for it to move towards 150. Now 150 is crucial here. Any move beyond 150 is a sign that bulls are active here. And as I said, 150 152 zone, I am not giving the levels here, but this zone is completely going to be critical. Even if the USD JPY moves towards this zone, the chances of a fall will be very high as long as it stays between the zone, and towards 154 there could be a definite reversal. So a retracement, you should not be confused with a reversal. 150 152 in the near future cannot be denied. These are achievable. The sharper the drop, the bigger the rise, and thus till 154 I will say a possibility of a retracement exists, but a reversal is definitely not there. That is my expectation. And if it trades beyond 154, stay bullish, leave everything. This is going to be a never-ending concern for the USD JPY, and there is a stronger rally which can be expected. But I do not see that happening. On the downside, where you can sell here at 146.0, 5 levels, expected to move towards 146.3, 146.14, and then 146. Good support here. Below 146, the next milestone is towards 145.5 and 145 levels. If at any point it stays below 145, here you can say now the bears will be aggressive, and then we can look forward to a move towards 144. Now this complete zone between 144 to 146, very, very, very critical. Do not treat the USD JPY bearish till 144. Below 144, it is not going to come back. In the near future, we are looking forward to 140 to 140 and in fact 138 levels. This is going to happen in a quick time before it looks over to any reversal. This is something you have to be extremely cautious of, extremely watchful of. And these are definitely great supports here on the downside towards 140, 138. So take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch. Join my signals channel. Have a great profitable trading month ahead. A great profitable week ahead, and a happy weekend. Thank you.